Here we have a broken driver's side turn signal lamp for a 1999 Toyota Corolla. If you have one of these cars and you have this problem, just relax. Sparky channel is going to show you how to fix it. The first thing you have to do is buy a replacement turn signal lamp for the driver's side. You got to make sure it's for the driver's side. And this is $12. Can you believe that? If you had a new Mercedes, it would be about $500 for this piece. $12 on Amazon. And that includes the bulb. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is locate this Phillips screw right here. It's right above the turn signal lamp. It's got this little piece coming up, and just take your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the screw. With the screw off, this is quite loose now, and you can take a pair of pliers, just pull it towards you, okay? And that's all it was. Once you took the screw off, it's a pull towards you. So this bulb happens to still be good, so what I'm going to do is just pull it out, and I'm going to keep this as a spare. Now this piece right here has to come out. You just twist it counterclockwise, give it a twist, it comes right off. So that's your wiring harness for your light bulb. Okay, see, we got this part still on here, and this part is on the new piece. So I'm going to take off the old piece. Just press that in, and okay, it took a little strength, but there it is. It's off now, and here's the wiring harness. So now I'm going to take the wiring harness and plug it onto the new signal lamp. Okay, so it just goes on just like that. Press it on all the way. So we got the wiring harness on the new signal lamp. Now, here's the part that screws on right here. Now we have two parts that just slide into the body of the car. This part right here, and this part right here. This part goes into this hole right here, see? And this part right here slides into right here. And then this part is going to come up here, and we'll screw it in. So it's going to be a combination of sliding into place and wiggling it, and then screwing this in. So I'm going to take it, put this into here and this into here. So take it and slide it right in like that. Give a little tap, and she's in. Okay, so the last step is to replace the Phillips screw. It's a number 2 Phillips driver, and you just tighten her down, and there you go. One benefit of this particular lens is they put a special coating on it to keep it from getting hazy. So $12, there you go. It's an easy fix. Even if you don't really know anything about cars, you can do this repair. It's an easy one, and it'll save you a lot of money. You take it to the shop, they'll charge you, I don't know how much, maybe $100, you know. $12 from Amazon, put it in yourself. I'll put a link in my video description for both the driver's side like this one and for the passenger side. And by the way, I have another video showing how to put it in the passenger side. So I got both of them covered now. Thanks, I hope this video was helpful.